Welcome students. In this session of Physics New Era, we are going to know about the capillarity and capillary action. Capillarity and capillary action. Now what exactly is this capillarity and capillary action? But before that one, we are going to know about the capillary tube because this plays a vital role because the name itself indicates the capillarity. Rise in the level of the capillary tube. But what is meant by that capillary tube? Capillary tube is a thin glass tube. It is a very thin glass tube having a very small radius pinhole structure. When partially it is dipped inside the liquid or any solution, there is a rise or maybe fall in that level. What happens as partially it is inserted? See, as partially this is a capillary tube. This capillary tube, it is inserted inside the liquid. There is a rise in the level of the tube. Liquid rises inside the capillary tube. Here, when it is inserted, there is a fall in the level of the tube. This is the original level. As soon as this capillary tube is inserted, there is a fall in the level of the tube. Means how we are going to define the capillarity or capillary action. Phenomena of rise and fall of the liquid inside the capillary tube is known as capillarity. It is also known as a capillary action. Very simple phenomena, but previously we saw that the pressure, initially the pressure at the concave side, it is greater as compared to pressure at the convex side. This sentence is very important. And next one is, at the plane surface, pressure inside the liquid and atmospheric pressure, they are equal. So here I am going to write the particular points at different 4 positions. I am going to take the points and I am going to discuss about the pressure at that points. But before, once again, number 1 point, pressure at the concave side is greater as compared to the concave, means as compared to the convex side. Once again, pressure at the concave side is greater as compared to convex side. Number 2, at the plane surface, pressure inside the liquid, outside the atmosphere, means in air, they are equal. So let us consider the 4 points considering different examples. Here it is the rise, but when this rise will take place? Example, best example before you, that is water. When a capillary tube it is inserted partially inside the water, there is a rise in the level. So how to indicate the rise? The rise, it is indicated by the h, that is height. There is a rise. So I need to consider the point, that is point A, point B, inside the liquid, below the convex surface. From the lower side it is convex, from the upper side it is concave. So remember the first sentence. So here it is point C, point D. What about the surface? This surface is a plane surface. This surface is a concave from the upside, convex from the lower side. So the first conclusion I am going to write. But before that one, there is a rise in the level. Rise in level. The example is water. When the capillary tube, it is inserted inside the water, there is a rise in the water level. That phenomena is known as a capillarity, or it is also known as capillary action. So the first point I am going to discuss, that is, sir, pressure at the first sentence already told you. Pressure at the concave side means which side? A. Concave side is greater as compared to the pressure at convex side. Pressure at concave side is greater, is greater. The sentence it is over. Now the second case I am going to discuss. Here it is. These 2 points are present in the air. Means they are present in the atmosphere. Everywhere it is present except the liquid. The air, in the air, A point it is exist, B point it is exist. That means the pressure at A is equal to pressure at point C, known as atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. And what about the plane surface? Already we had discussed that at the plane surface, the pressures on both the sides in air or in atmospheric pressure as well as liquid, inside the liquid, the pressures are same. That means it is equal to PC, pressure at point C is equal to pressure at point D. Here we can term plane surface. Plane surface of liquid. Plane surface of what? Liquid. At the plane surface, at both the sides the pressures are equal. See the similarity. Here it is PA is equal to PC and PC is equal to PD. That means PA is equal to PD. PA is equal to PD. Means here PA is equal to PD, which is equal to PC. That means these three pressures are equal. Pressure at A, pressure at C, pressure at D are equal. I am going to write that also. PC. Similarity. This is the similarity. That indicates only the remaining factor, which is less. PV is less than these three pressures. Pressure at this point A, pressure at this point C, pressure at this point D are equal and they are higher pressure because PA is greater than PB. That indicates here it is the higher pressure and liquid always runs. The sentence is very important. Liquid always run from higher pressure side to lower pressure side. Hence, liquid runs inside the capillary tube so as to maintain the pressure. It rises up to certain level, so that pressure at B equal to pressure at D, or we say that atmospheric pressure because it is same or equal, and hence liquid rises inside the capillary tube. So the next diagram we are going to know, and again we are going to see such a same interface, but instead of rise there is a fall in the level of the tube. So seems to be consider, once again I need to consider a point A, same point I would like to take, the point B, here point D, and the example, best example for us is a mercury. Fall in the level, falls in the level of liquid. Which liquid? Mercury. So one by one we are going to know. The first, see, pressure. The first sentence is very important. Already I told you that pressure at the concave side. See, this one is the concave, from the above it is convex. We know that pressure at the concave side is greater as compared to pressure at the convex side. Okay, pressure at concave is greater as compared to pressure at convex side. In short, symbolically I am written this one. Second one, these 2 points are present in air. So pressure at A is equal to pressure at C. What it is? Atmospheric pressure we say. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. What about the next? Sir, this is a plane surface. The second sentence initially we already told, and same it is taken, the plane surface. Here it is, pressure at C is equal to pressure at point D. Pressure at C is equal to pressure at D. What? The similar plane surface of the liquid. Plane surface of liquid. Plane surface of liquid. Okay? At the plane surface, the pressures on both the sides are equal. And the fourth conclusion is this one, as PA is equal to PC and PC is equal to PD. So PA is equal to PD. Means PA, here it is small one, PA equal to PC equal to PD. Means these three pressures, 1, 2, 3 are equal. But which one is greater? In initial stage, A is greater. See, pressure at the A side it is greater because it is at the concave side. Here, pressure at the concave side means B. Means the fifth one I am going to write. Already we have told that pressure at the B side is greater than the pressure at the A side. Means these pressure are less as compared to this B. So this one is the bigger pressure. So this liquid runs from higher pressure side to lower pressure side, and that's why liquid level decreases or falls inside the capillary tube. And that's why the reason there is a rise, because liquid runs inside the capillary tube, it runs outside the capillary tube, and hence there is a fall in the level of the tube. This one is nothing but your capillary action, or maybe this is termed as a capillarity. Phenomena of rise and fall in the level of the liquid is known as capillarity, or it is also known as capillary action. Thank you.